Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Maverick X3 Max Turbo RR with the Smart Shox. We've done some fun stuff on this one. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. So starting on the front, we do have the Ryco Street Legal Kit on it. We'll do a little intro on how that Street Legal Kit works. All you're gonna do is simply go down with this lever. Indicator lights up on the dash, letting you know the turn signals are on. We have replaced those signature lights from Can-Am with the Rycos. We also have the Sector 7 side light mirrors with the indicators built into those. And with the 5150s, check that out, going right into the whips and the rock light kit for the turn signals as well. This is next level stuff right here. You got the turn signals also into the tail lights on the back. With the Ryco kit, you also have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on the lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. Again, you've got your rock lights flashing. You got those indicators there on the front. See the rock lights in the grill? They're also flashing amber. The whips flashing amber. And in the back, into the tail lights. The Ryco kit is also going to come with the LED to illuminate your plate at night. To release the four-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button is integrated right into the end of the lever as well. These Sector 7s, these are amazing. This is the best lighting you can get in a mirror. With them off, you can see the nice tooling they've got going on there. You've got that side broadcasted light, the forward light, and then again those indicators for the Street Legal Kit there on each mirror. We absolutely love this model as it got the four-way retractable harnesses. We've installed the Tusk lower door inserts, the Utvma bump seat for the kids in the back. This machine is now a 5-seater. We can also turn it into a 6-seater, adding another bump seat there in the middle. With the 5150s, we've got the ability to change these in thousands of colors and combinations. They're also tied into those rock lights. We've got the rock lights installed, illuminated in all of that suspension component area. What do you think? 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text if you'd like to get your name on one of these bad boys. Have a great night, everybody.